Hey music family, it's Oz here from Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming at you today with some ukulele chord tutorials. These tutorials are going to set you up to play Count on Me by Bruno Mars, which uses 6 of the most popular chords for ukulele. Once you learn these 6 chords, you'll pretty much be able to play anything. For this video, we want to make sure that the head of our ukulele, where our tuners are, is on the left side. So make sure that it's sitting on this side for you. For me, it's going to be over here because this is my left hand. And then that way we know that our A string, which is our first string, is closest to our toes. Our ukulele is going to be tuned up already, which you will have done. And then our strumming patterns for today's chords are going to be as follows. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's our strumming patterns for each one of these. So let's get started on our chords. The next chord that we're going to do is F. Typically I use green for the F chord. F only has 2 fingers, so it's a little bit easier than our E minor and our D minor. It actually uses 2 of the 3 fingers for the D minor chord. So take a look. We're going to go to the 2nd string, 1st fret. That's going to be our index finger. And then we're going to take our middle finger and go all the way up like as if it was a D minor to the 4th string, 2nd fret. This is how we play our F chord. First finger goes up 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes up 4th string, 2nd fret. This is our F chord. 5, 6, here we go. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's our F chord. Nice work. So add that in with your other chords, practice switching to some other chords. Eventually you'll start getting the hang of this really well. So way to go. Go make some music. This is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy, a world with more music. Sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.